How to use ChatGPT on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of WonderStep. If you also want to use ChatGPT on your mobile device, then in this video let me show you how it's done. Now there's no mobile app for ChatGPT either on the Play Store or the App Store. So you can only use ChatGPT through the websites as you normally do on your desktop. So open up your web browser and search for chat.openai.com. Once you do, it's going to take you to the login page where you just need to log into your account. Now once you are logged in, you can use ChatGPT as you normally do. You can type in and ask in questions and solve your problems. Now the one thing that I'm going to show you is you can add in a mobile shortcut. This way you don't need to open up your web browser each time. So for that, tap on the three dots on the top right. From here you can see an option called add to home screen. So just tap on this option and you can name this shortcut anything you want. And then tap on add. Once you do that, you can now head back to your screen and you can see this shortcut now has been added. And whenever you tap on this, it's gonna straight take you to the website of ChatGPT. So this way you no longer need to open up your web browser and keep searching for chat.openai.com. You can just open up this shortcut and you'll directly land up on your ChatGPT account. So that's the way that you can use ChatGPT on mobile. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.